massive political slugfest has erupted over Rahul Gandhi's minimum income for the poor announcement. Now, mocking the Congress's promise, Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said that the people of India know the reality of the Congress and have seen through its games. Terming it a poll gimmick, Prasad further said that like hundreds of other announcements, this scheme is also meant to be never implemented. On Monday, Congress President Rahul Gandhi, in his Chhattisgarh address, had announced that his party would ensure minimum income guarantee for every poor person in the country if voted to power in the upcoming Lok Sabha polls.
In 2012, as per the World Data Lab, the poverty in rural area was, extreme poverty in rural areas was 14%, now it is 4%. And in urban areas, it was 9.5%, now it is 3.8%. So this is a very credible report which has certified the fast pace of poverty reduction in our country. We as a country must be proud that we are the country which will have only 3% poverty rate in next 3 years, and then after, by 2030, we expect that there will be nobody below poverty line, and that is where India wants to progress.
So ahead of 2019 general elections, political are making a beeline to target the poor and the farmers. Now, weeks after his party's new governments in MP, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan announced farm loan waivers, now the Congress President Rahul Gandhi announced in Chhattisgarh that his party would ensure minimum income guarantee to the poor if Congress in fact comes to power after the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. The question is now, is this move pragmatic or outlandish?
हिंदुस्तान के हर गरीब व्यक्ति के बैंक अकाउंट में कम से कम न्यूनतम आमदनी हिंदुस्तान की सरकार देने जा रही है। मतलब हिंदुस्तान में ना कोई भूखा रहेगा, ना कोई गरीब रहेगा। और ये हम छत्तीसगढ़ में करेंगे, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, हर प्रदेश में करेंगे। हम दो हिंदुस्तान नहीं चाहते हैं, एक हिंदुस्तान होगा। और ये काम आज तक दुनिया की किसी सरकार ने नहीं किया है।
40 days after he introduced farm loan waivers in 3 Congress ruling states and pushed a few BJP ruling states to do the same, Rahul Gandhi is trying to dictate terms again, just 4 days ahead of the 2019 interim budget. The Congress chief has declared that he will introduce minimum income policy for every poor person in India if they are being voted to power.
ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेटरी मोमेंट है, ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है। ये पूरी की पूरी गेम बदल के रख देगी। पॉवर्टी ट्रैप में जो लोग फंसे पड़े हैं ना, उनके लिए ये किस तरह का सॉल्यूशन है।
The BJP mocked Rahul's counter to Modi government, claiming that the announcement was outlandish.
I don't think you might be taking it very seriously if people of this country don't take such promises or such statements coming from Rahul Gandhi seriously. And in any case, he's invented nothing new. So this is nothing new, and that only shows his lack of imagination, lack of understanding, and above all, lack of seriousness.
But with only months ahead of the Lok Sabha polls, the question remains, is Rahul's declaration pragmatic? Is universal basic income an idea whose time has come? Bureau Report, India Today.
And amid controversy over minimum income guarantee.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.